BMW X6M, all-wheel drive premium midsize coupe SUV, which embodies the sporty character in the tradition of M-series cars with the high functionality of the X family. Visually recognizing the BMW X6M third generation against the standard model is not difficult. It immediately gives out a more aggressive body kit around the perimeter, increased spoiler on the fifth door, mirrors with imitation of dual mounting legs, and a pair of large caliber, double-barrel, exhaust system. Inside, the third BMW X6M can brag of beautiful and thoroughbred design, impeccable ergonomics, exclusively premium materials of trimming, and high quality of manufacture. Its distinctive features against the standard brother are not so much the sport's multi-steering wheel, additional graphic modes for the combination of devices, and more relief front seats with integrated headrests, as the red elements, namely a button to start the engine and a pair of programmable buttons, M1 and M2, on the steering wheel. Under the hood of the BMW X6M hides a 4.4-liter 8-cylinder gasoline engine with a V-shaped architecture, two turbochargers type twin-scroll, direct fuel injection, lightweight pistons, and phase shifters on the intake and exhaust, available in two variants of boost. The default it generates 600 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque, in competition version 625 horsepower and 750 Nm. Standard, charged, crossover is equipped with an 8-band, automatic M-Steptronic and all-wheel drive transmission MX drive with a multi-disc clutch, transferring power to the front axle and an active rear differential active M with electronic control, redistributing the moment between the right and left rear wheels. The X6 reaches the first 60 miles per hour after 3.8 to 3.9 seconds and maxes out at 155 miles per hour. The speed is electronically limited. Regardless of the version, the car destroys at least 12.7 liters of fuel for every 60 miles on the combined cycle. The starting price of the 2022 BMW X6M is $133,000. That's $3,000 more than the related X5M. The automaker charges up to $4,900 for a special paint job, and replacement leather upholstery can cost up to $1,000.